Are you a parent who is constantly choosing between your family and your bank account? Maybe trading time for money still. And sometimes it's super tough to make ends meet, but the old way is just not working because it means you're picking up a second job. And when you do that, in the back of your mind, you feel like you're sacrificing your family. Now, listen, I've been there before too. I got 4 kids and it's tough. It's tough to make ends meet and it really sucks. And I feel for that parent. And we are told to be successful, we have to trade time for money. We've been classically conditioned to believe that. We get chained to our desk, working ridiculous hours, working in our profession. And then if our kid wants to join a select team or go on a travel arrangement to learn something, or we get behind on our car note or our mortgage, we ultimately think that we have to pick up a second job. Or maybe now your wife, who has been staying home with the kids, has to pick up a second job. Maybe it's delivering pizzas, maybe it's driving Uber, maybe it's doing something, but you're still trading time for money. But what if I told you that there is an incredible blueprint that will break all those false beliefs, that actually gives you more time with your family, to break the habit, the habitual pattern that we've been trained to believe, that you get to stop trading time for money. The pattern breaks, and I call it the Parents Profit Blueprint. Now, the biggest mistake that I see myself and other parents make is looking for some brand new extravagant idea that's going to generate some income for them, and they make it super complicated. They think that they have to do more than they actually have to do. But the core secret of the Parents Profit Blueprint is actually much simpler than that. And guess what? It's something that you're already an expert in. Your best business is the solution that you've already mastered. And if you think about it simply, maybe you've cracked the code on meal prepping. Maybe you're a mom of 5 and your time management skills are amazing. Maybe you're a high school baseball coach and you know how to teach kids how to hit. Maybe you make the best potato salad in the world. Maybe you've saved money by learning how to cut your own kid's hair and you do it well. Or maybe you just know how to get your toddler to sleep at night. Those aren't just service wins, and those aren't just parental wins. Those are profitable problems that other parents will pay good money to solve. Putting a toddler down to sleep is tough. I got 4 kids. It's crazy. Breaking down your son's swing is tough. Feeding a family, managing time, all those things that add up are tough. So this channel, Fatherhood Secrets, is going to be your step-by-step roadmap, the blueprint, if you will, on how to do an audit of the things that you constantly solve, the solutions that you constantly provide for your family. And we're going to turn those problems and the solutions you provide into something that generates cash flow for your family. And we're going to build simple mini courses that you can extend reach to and help other people out and exchange that value in the meantime. And we're going to build those things together. And then we're going to launch them into the world. We're going to create processes and allow you to automate these things so you don't have to trade time for money anymore. We're going to do things like build sales funnels, build AI automations, teaching you how to package the deal in order to exchange the most value to somebody. And this isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. The idea behind this channel is freeing up the time that you exchange so you get more time focusing on the things that really matter in your life. You're leveraging the experiences you have, you're leveraging the solutions that you found by obtaining those special techniques in the trenches as a parent and turning it into an unstoppable unshakable, automated revenue source for your family. And so if you're ready to stop this endless grind and reclaim your time with your family and focus on the things that matter the most and build the freedom that your family truly deserves, then hit that subscribe button right now. Because all in all, the Parents Profit Blueprint is a freedom blueprint, and it's exactly what you've been searching for. Turn on those notifications, new videos every single Monday. So hit subscribe and don't miss the next video. I'll see you there.